Friday, June 25th, 2010. Come on, you were making all kinds of ruckus a minute ago. I was trying to check my email. Ah! Boo. Note the drool. He's been laying here just a minute. Drool. No teeth yet. Be 5 months old tomorrow. See? No, you can't eat my finger. Give me. Make noise, dude. Poke. No, you can't cough. You are so cute. See? See if you can roll over. You're not even gonna move, are you? Roll, dude. Okay. Bye-bye.